You can get a green card without H-1B. The NIW route is the best-kept secret for Indian students. Most students believe H-1B is the only path, but the EB-2 NIW lets you skip that entire process and go straight for a green card. The National Interest Waiver, or NIW, gives you a way to apply for a green card based on your skills, no job offer or employer sponsorship needed. NIW is for those with an advanced degree or exceptional ability whose work benefits the U.S. national interest. If your work is important for science, tech, health, or education in the U.S., you may qualify for NIW, regardless of your employer. To qualify, you need an advanced degree or exceptional skills, plus proof that your work really matters for the U.S. Building your case, collect publications, recommendation letters, proof of impact, and real examples of your achievements. Strong evidence includes peer-reviewed publications, patents, or references from top experts. Concrete results can set you apart. STEM fields like engineering, computer science, medicine, and environmental science often stand out in NIW cases, but many others qualify too. Degrees like computer science, biotechnology, and data analytics are hot choices, but arts and social sciences can also fit if the impact is clear. After submitting, cases can take 12 to 24 months. Processing times vary, so patience and proper documentation are key. There are steps like request for evidence and possible interviews. Good preparation keeps your timeline on track. Consulting an immigration expert can help you avoid mistakes and put forward the strongest NIW petition possible. Many Indian students have gained green cards through NIW without ever needing H-1B. Your profile could be next. Comment NIW guide and I'll send you a sample NIW profile.